What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Freedom Speech today, people. Today, people, I'm reacting to Myanmar rapper, people. You guys and girls and people wanted me to react to his music, people. Let me know if you want me to react to any more of his music. I heard he does like hip hop, some boom bap. He can do anything, but he mainly does like the kind of like rapping type of cadence and all sorts like that, people. But yeah, people, man, let's get into this one right about now. Let's go, people. Let's go, people, man. Let's go. Hey. Hey.
The teaching man, I yell like a Sura, may not so young like the Diabale Sura go Bobia, Jaudiala, Jotiala, Pioli, Louis Sanjevo, I let him mean to Webia Masura, Jordan Piesem look, made me alone, I put you around me by me yale, my many are ever hold up, nothing out, I made out my pin and Biona.
Ooh, cheese, people, cheese. This is like, so this is like mainly like dedicated to like, you know what I mean, like some person he was that close to him, innit, and all sorts like that. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. He's probably just honoring them like the best way possible. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like, that's crazy, man. Hey, people, just to let you know, I got the lyrics right here, people. I'm gonna watch the video first, then react to it after. Read out the lyrics after. Let me know, people, if they're correct or not. Someone sent me them on YouTube. Hey.
You will be forgotten. Pulo, Dima Sonia, me, Junior, as you own, I look at Dari, Gina and Dela, Chennai, Mona and Dela, Mimpalo, Nilang, Piominga, Piona and Dela, a Kungaru, made without Piapia, the Tony, and Mishuga, Leo, Kuga, and a Fia Blonile, the area, Pien, Langao, Ye, or Lapia owns, Gamasa, me and your nanny, Nayado. Benele, Levan Sura, Yautala, Damo, me and Tize, but Loma Piauala, Yonjimu, Pimla, Chanjama, Duri, you, the Zone Kua, Mea, Kura, Bama, Hoda, Bupo, Duria, Matiari, Jama, Tuingura.
Yeah, man, it's like you're honoring them, honoring them, like, you know, and you remember that person, man. You just be like, damn, like you just remember so much after when someone like goes from your life, man. Like we're all gonna go off this earth one day, and like this is gonna happen to us. Like sad to say, but it's just so true, bro. Like it's just the way nature is, man. It's crazy though, isn't it? To think that.
You will be forgotten. La 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 so jare, la 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 jaro me pie jare.
That love is crazy. Is he laughing or crying? What's he doing? That's crazy. There you go, people. There you go, people, man. I'm not too sure if this is the correct lyrics or not, but we're going to go through them. And let me know, people, if this is correct lyrics or not. This is what someone sent me on YouTube. You are dead. I come to you. Tell me what your last thought was. Fear of telling me some people can think I'll be like you one day. So I do not need to prepare or even open your eyes. What do you see? Is it dark? I'm just guessing. Do not answer my questions. I know you cannot tell me. I want to know what's on the other side of death. Death is good thing or a bad thing for you. Or was I sleeping? Did you wake up with a start? The average lifespan is 70. I've been searching for legs. Did you have enough time to do what you wanted to do? Even if you wanted to see it late, you wouldn't see it. I showed you a final goodbye. Child's relation, friends and parents, relatives and friends. Your body will be on fire for a while. Everything will eventually be destroyed. The world will still run normal. You will be forgotten, and they will miss you for a month or two. They will forget you after a year or two. That's so true, people. I can't even lie. What you're saying right there is so true. The next verse says, you are not hot. You're looking at a feeling hot, waiting here. I do not want to take your reminder. You can still have an ego. Can you still love or hate? Tell me what you can do. You can still smile like me. No, I'm burying your flesh and blood until it turns to ash. How is it that you cannot resist the air you breathe? If there are ghosts, and show me a shadow by the way. I can still smell your scents. What is it? Have you searched or have you completed disappearing? Belief didn't exist. People are scared from something that you are not nothing anymore. People are crying because of the memories. It only takes time for everything to fade away. You are buried to ashes. You cannot stand to watch no one on earth. Whatever you exist